in the atomic table. The real physics of alchemy is teachable once you understand the flame in the mind. Now, my purpose here today is not to claim to do new physics, although we can. We clearly can do new physics. We have a dozen, within our own grasp, at least a dozen technologies, and Bill is going to show you pictures today. Understand the electrical engineering of a dozen or more different zero-point energy sources. Actually, from an electrical engineering standpoint, doing the hardware to make the zero-point energy is the easy part. Really, it's the easy part. You know what the hard part is? And to some extent the Brown's gas. We now know that the hydrogen atom for the hydrolysis, which is the center of the Joe cell in Brown's gas, I wrote the equation to prove that the radius of hydrogen equals Planck length times exact multiples of Golden ratio. That was not known until I wrote the new equation, goldenmean.info/golden proof. Now, that means that the hydrogen atom arrangement of electron shells is exactly this. This is literally a model of the radii, dodeca, ecosa, dodeca, golden ratio, golden ratio, golden ratio. This is how hydrogen works. This is how the sun's heart works. This is the geometry of carbon fusion. Oh, and did you know that the center bond of every rung on the ladder of DNA is hydrogen? So what's going down the zipper of your DNA? When you unzip and zip up your DNA, the center? Hydrogen. Guess what the catalyst for the carbon powder fusion is? Hydrogen. Guess what the geometry of hydrogen is? Pure, implosive, three-dimensional fractal fusion geometry. So the fusion in the center of the sun is similar to the fusion in the center of your DNA. Now, there's another story that goes with this. And